Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about Echo Show 5 setup issues. Here you can get the steps to fix these problems and complete the setup. Let's start. If your Amazon Echo Show 5 device showing the connection error, then check that your device is connected to internet or not. To connect with the internet and resolve the setup issues, you need to have a strong internet connection. After placing it in the perfect range of your Wi-Fi network, try again to set up. Sometimes when you tried to set up your Echo Show 5 device and you can't able to complete the setup due to network error, then check the network settings. In the network setting, you need to choose the Wi-Fi network and connect with the secure password. Always connect with the 2.4 GHz network. During the setup of your Echo Show 5 device, if you are having an option for device update available, then you need to tap, download and install. After download the latest software, you can easily set up your Echo device. All the latest version have new features and more interface. If you are facing any trouble to set up your Amazon Echo Show 5 device, or you need our assistance, then you can reach us. We will provide the complete solution and you can use this device without any trouble. Thanks for watching the complete video.